How to download and install the OpalBC app 3.1. Click one of the links in description box. And click the download button. While the app is downloading, I would like to tell you some cool new features this app has. The loading screen, the app runs more smoother than the other ones, because of the loading screen, so you don't go directly into the app, so it gives the app a chance to prepare. New links, other pages and more. Once the download is done, you will need to install it. If you downloaded it on computer, you need to put it on your phone. There is a few ways to do this, like sharing it with Bluetooth or a USB cable. Once all of that is done, now it's time to install. If this is your first time installing APK files, you will need to enable unknown sources. Go to your phone settings to do this. Once you do that, click on Install. Sit back and enjoy the app. I hope this helped you to download and install the OpalBC app. Thanks for watching.